Hey, welcome back to the channel. So we are changing out the main relay. I don't think it's the main relay. I think I found the culprit, and I'm changing out the main relay because when I was testing this thing out, I accidentally burnt it. So this one is no longer working, unfortunately, because it is OEM. This one is from a local auto store. It cost me about 81 bucks. So don't start messing around if you don't know what you're doing. We're gonna put this one in. Just try to start it up, see if it works, just in case. But I think I've actually found the culprit, and it does involve that thing right there.